from Indulge Pure Originals. I wanted to tell you about my weekend and how you can actually preserve and keep your body butter bar from melting. So this weekend I went with Kimberly, who you know is my mom and founder of Indulge Pure Originals, and we went to the pool, and I wanted to take my body butter bar with me, but as you know, in heat our bars can melt. So what I did was I have this really cool box, and it's made of sturdy plastic, and it just clamps down, has a top, and my body butter bar fits absolutely perfect inside. So I took this little box with my bar in it, and I put it in a cooler bag pack along with an ice pack, and it turned out absolutely perfect. The bar stayed solid until I took it out to use it on my skin, and it just gave my skin an awesome glow. It nourished it and kept me hydrated in that drying sun. So I wanted to pass along that information to you. You can find these boxes at superstackerboxes.com, and it's called a crayon box, and it just keeps your bar perfectly in there. It fits awesome, and as far as I know, if you get some water on it, it is water resistant, and you'll just want to get an ice pack and a little cooler bag, pop that in there, and it won't melt. Now you can use this at your pool days. Enjoy!